Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked, shared about the Cooking Nurse. I am really grateful. So like you can see in today's video, we are going to be making sausage spaghetti, and we'll be needing spaghetti. I'm using Santa Lucia, garlic, some Royco cubes, harambe, a carrot, tomatoes, onions, salt, sausages, cooking oil, and some black pepper. I have a video about how to make sausage rice, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. Please check it out. So for this recipe, you boil water first. You don't use cold water. Boil water first and then put in your spaghetti in hot boiling water. Mine, I'm putting it in as whole or not broken, but you can break yours according to how long or how short you want it. So you let this one go and boil in this water until it's soft and tender. Then I season it with some salt and then cover it up and let it cook until it's really cooked, like it's really soft. So meanwhile, as that one cooks, we are going to be chopping our tomatoes, onions, garlic and carrots into smaller and manageable pieces, and these are going to be the base of our meal today. So I'll be using 1 clove of garlic, and then just press it to open. This is the easiest way of peeling a garlic, and just chop it into smaller pieces too. As for the carrot, I am going to grate it into long shapes so that they match the shape of the spaghetti. So let's check on our spaghetti and see how far it has gone. Yes, so as you can see, this is really boiled. It's ready now. So we are going to drain it and remove the hot and boiling water and remove it from the fire. So you just drain it like this, and then I'm going to open cold water into the spaghetti so that it stops boiling. Or else, if you do not do this, you can have it clamped up together because it will continue boiling since the heat will have stayed. So just put it in another bowl and then we start the cooking. Using very little cooking oil, I'm just going to pan fry my sausages first. Because they are already defrosted and they are really soft, I can't cut them out. Plus, this also helps them get crunchy when they are ready in the spaghetti. So once they are this stage, just remove them and then cut them into simpler pieces. You can also leave them like this, but for my meal, I'm going to chop them into small pieces. So this is how I grated the carrots, and they are not going in immediately. So I'll first put in the garlic and the onions, and then once they are soft and tender, I will just go in with the tomatoes. So in the tomatoes, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of soy sauce and then add in 50 grams of tomato paste. I prefer this particular brand ever since I found out because it doesn't taste like, when the sauce is done, you don't get the taste of the tomato paste as opposed to the other brands I had used, because for them they are a bit bitter and you can taste them. This one really blends well. It's as if you just used tomato puree. So I'm going to season with some Royco cubes, a few sprinkles of harambe, beef Royco cubes because I'm using beef sausages, and just mix up everything together. So I'll cover this up shortly for like a minute so that the skin of the tomatoes really softens up and it's ready or easy to mix up. So I'll put in some little water that is going to help me make some sort of gravy. So just like this, using a tomato masher, potato masher, I will just press and make gravy, or yeah, mix everything together. So just add in my sausages at this stage, and then after I've mixed, I'll go in with my spaghetti. The meal is almost ready because the spaghetti is already cooked, the sausages are already cooked. So just add everything and then mix up and then cover up for a short time also, so that all the flavors are mixed up together to everything, to the last piece of it. So just mix everything together here and then add in some little water and cook, because as you can see, the spaghetti is still separate from the tomatoes. I want that one to cook together so that everything is into each other, like let them get to know each other. So once this one is done, you're good to serve. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I also want to remind you that this was a quick fix. You can make this meal in less than 30 minutes. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment and let me know what you'd love to see me filming next. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and bye.